Hello friends, today we will make a video on string and for loops. So it is like we will solve a problem which is count all the vowels from the string. Okay, let's go on the compiler. Here we write a question, count all the vowels in a string. First of all, we need to check like we have that particular string in which we will check all the vowels. So we have a string which we considered as a orange. Now we created a string in a variable which is vowel. Here we store all the vowels in small letters and in capital letters. Okay, so what is the logic behind it is we we run a for loop in this string in which we will find vowels, then we check that particular letter is present in vowels or not. If it is present, we will increase count plus 1, and if not present, count will remain same at that number which it is holding. So now we run a loop for I in S. Like in this particular string, we are running a for loop. So it will print if it will print all I, like which I is holding. Currently, let me comment this one and this one also. Oh, comment this and this. Now check the I. So if we are running a for loop in this string, it is printing whole the string letter by letter. Okay. So if we have O, we will check is O in present in this vowel. If yes, then count will increased by 1. Okay. Here we are doing this. Then it will start second iteration and check R. Is R present in vowels? No, it is not present. So count will remain 1. Then it will check A. Is A present in vowels? Yes, A is present. Then count will increase by 1. Currently we have a value of count is 1. Why? We have O. Count value is 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Then again iteration and it will check N. Is N present in vowels? No. Then count value will be 2. Then it again iteration, it will check G. Is G present in vowels? No. Then count will remain 2. In last iteration, it will found E. Then E is present in vowels? Yes. So count will be 3. So here it is we are doing. Now run this program. Currently, remove it from comment. Now check. It should be inside if. Now what will we print? We will print count. Okay, let's print I first. Run. It is printing OAE. Why? Because count is working here, but we are not printing the count. We are printing I. So it is checking is if I, which is holding the value according to iteration ORA letter by letter, is checking is it present in vowels. If yes, then it is increasing count and printing I. But what we need count because we are counting all the vowels. Okay, so print count. Actually, my some letters are not working on my keyboard. Okay, so print count and run. What will it be print? Will it print 3? No. Why no? Let's check. Why it is printing like 1, 2, 3? Because we have found vowel O first time, then count value is first. Okay, then count value is 1 until we found A. When we found A, the count value is 2, then it is again 2 until we reached at E. Then after E, it is the value 3 because 2 plus 1 is 3. Now count value is 3. But why it is printing like this? Why it is not giving us the final value? Because we all know there are 3 vowels, then why it is not giving only 3? Because our print statement is inside if loop. So whenever it is finding I in vowel, so it is printing all if times, and if time existing true 3 times, so it is giving value 3 times. So when it will be out of if, here it is a indentation rule. So when it is outside if, it will give the final value. Now it will give us 3. Oh, why it is not giving us 3? Because the reason is, now it is outside the if and giving 4 loop times. Like orange has 7 letters, so it is giving us voice 6 7, so it should be out of here. Run. Now it is giving 3. So inside if, it was working according to if, but when we put it here, so it is outside if but inside for loop, so it give us answer according to this whole string. So it need to be outside for loop also. Here you can change any other string, or you can take string from the user to check another, like check other string also. Okay, let's check this. Let's run the code. Here two vowels are present, E and U. Hope you got understand. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. So thank you for watching. Bye. यार प्लीज इस बार बन गई हो। ओ, 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 स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग।